Cauliflower. What can I say? I usually don't like the taste of cauliflower. I find it, especially when it's raw, I find it very like the texture is very crumbly and rough and tough. But the easiest and quickest way, I should just put this down. I don't know why I'm holding it. But the easiest and quickest way to do cauliflower is roasted cauliflower, and it tastes amazing. Like, I love flavor, I love taste. I'm Asian, so I'm used to a lot of like sweet, sour, salty, spicy, all these flavors infused together, you know? So I came up with my little recipe with my little Asian twist that is so delicious. You will not be disappointed. You only need 4 ingredients for this recipe, well 5 including the cauliflower, but we have garlic salt, black pepper, low sodium soy sauce, and extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna preheat the oven to 420. Hello, 4. Spread them out. See, that's what I meant about having a flat backside. This is the only time you want to have a flat backside. After 10 minutes, you do want to check on it about every 5 minutes or so, just to make sure they're not burnt, depending on your oven power, right? So right now they look really good. They're sizzling. The last few minutes are very crucial because I can kind of smell it burning already, like the sauce is burning. So it looks almost done. It looks delicious. Done. Sauce is a little burnt, but that's okay, trust me, because it's not burnt on the bottom. It's fine because on the bottom it's perfect. And there you have it. Beautiful roasted cauliflower. Look how beautiful that is. Now time for my favorite part. The perfect crunch. It's al dente. It's cooked perfectly roasted. The flavor is just so good. I can eat this whole plate for real.